Good morning. We're having a bit of a late start this morning. It was really cold last night. It went down to, I think, 2 degrees. And there was a frost warning. But it's supposed to heat up today. Today's supposed to be the nicest day. Full sun and 19 degrees.
No, 20.
Oh, okay. I saw 19, but okay. Anyway, so this morning, it's about 10:30. I got dressed and ready, and I did my nails this morning. They needed to be redone, so I did that. And then I fixed my hair and did my makeup. And Kyle did a walk with each of the dogs this morning. Damien kind of just hung out this morning, played with the fire pit and watched a movie. So anyways, late start, but hoping to enjoy our last full day in the park. Shaping the river.
Hear anything. That's what it's supposed to do.
We are back from our little trail hike. Puppies.
I saw a chippy.
Yeah? It was actually quite a short hike. So I think the plan is to maybe have lunch. I'm not really hungry. I'm gonna maybe just have a glass of lemonade or something, and then we're gonna spend the full day at the beach. The whole reason why we're here. The beach. Actually, the whole park is quite wheelchair accessible, but yeah, we're gonna finally go see the beach because I have been avoiding it for the vlog. So anyways, we'll head there soon. We are at the beach. We've been down here, but we haven't actually walked at the beach yet. So I guess right in there with it.
I didn't use glass, so get your chair.
I can't.
I'll get it for you.
I don't think you need a chair.
He wants a chair. He can bring his own chair. Then we don't have to come all the way back.
Okay, well, didn't plan on getting 2 huge loungers.
See, Daddy? There's a little playground here.
Mm.
I know. Now, what is that little mat thing?
You can walk someone out in the wheelchair.
That's the whole reason why we're here, dude.
You go over here in the shade.
Well,
You want shade? I want sun, so. And you dropped your shorts.
I didn't. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna take a second to get set up and then I'll show you around. Okay, so this is the reason why we are here. This pathway into the beach allows those wheelchairs
Mommy.
to come right into the water. And we should have brought Makayla.
Playground.
Okay. This is a beautiful beach.
Mama, there's a little playground.
Oh, see that? It's a pretty big playground.
Mommy. No bike area.
That's because it's for the wheelchairs. Look at all the acorns here, dude.
I know. There's an acorn tree right there.
Oh. I can bring my towel over here and lay here. Does Daddy want to come over to here?
I don't know. He wants to sit in the shade.
Well, there's shade here.
I know, but he doesn't want to come here.
Oh.
Quiet. See how it's nice and clean?
Mm-hmm. Alright, we switched spots to this little private area. I don't think many people know it's here, but of course this little kid found it. And it's all sandy, whereas over there is all like barky.
Find them. You should lay in your belly in the water and snorkel and then go find them. Oh, we won't be very far. It'll take a pretty big fish to eat that guy.
So Damien and Kyle are going back to the trailer. I actually dozed off. So it's now 5 after 2 and the puppies need to be fed. I'm gonna stay here and lay in the sun a little bit longer just because I feel like this is our last like time to be able to lay here and we don't know if we'll ever be back. So but yeah, I slept a little bit, I guess, and I'm just gonna lay here a little bit longer. Okay, I'm done at the beach. It's getting a little chilly. The sun's going away and behind the trees. So I'm gonna head back to the campsite. I think Kyle's got a fire going and we'll have dinner soon. And I'm going to also shower tonight before we head back home. to s'mores.